Because you're the best thing I've ever had. Now you're the one I've been waiting on, and I'ma treat you good.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I install my wig step by step. So first step, I'm going to take my Got To Be gel and I'm just going to place that along my edges because I want my edges to be super slicked and intact, not a hair out of place for when I apply my wig. This wig is provided by Riri Hair. I will leave all of their information down in the description box below, so if you guys have questions on length, color, cap construction, all of that good stuff would be in the description box. So right now I'm just combing my edges so that they're super slicked. So next step, I'm going to go back in with the Got To Be. So I typically do this step twice. So this is going to be the first layer of gel that I put along my edges. So I'm kind of placing it a little bit in front of my edges, so it's kind of like on my forehead. So once I've applied it all on my forehead, I'm just going to take the blow dryer on the cool setting. I'm just going to wait till it gets super tacky. Once it gets super tacky, I'm going to go in for the second time, and this is the second layer that I'm applying on my forehead, and then we're just going to repeat that step. I'm going to go in with my blow dryer on the cool setting, and I'm just going to wait until it gets super tacky. Applying wigs are really, honestly, like the easiest thing in the world. The key is just to get it super tacky. If you could get it super tacky, then your wig will stay. So the third step I'm going to go in with is the Got To Be Freeze Hairspray. Sorry, it's a little bit dirty. A lot of my hair products tend to get really dirty, I guess, because of like the stickiness. So I'm going to apply that along my edges, and then I'm going to go in with the blow dryer on the cool setting. So once you feel like it has been super, super tacky, you want to go ahead and pull the wig forward and just kind of lay it flat. So as you guys can see, when I pull it forward, it sticks automatically, like instantly. And that's because I have waited for it to get super tacky. So when you guys are following these steps and you feel like your wig is not sticking, that's probably because you guys did not let it get sticky enough, did not let it get tacky enough. You may need to let it blow dry. You may need to blow dry it a little bit more. That was kind of my problem when I first started applying wigs, is I noticed that like my wigs weren't sticking like the other YouTubers when I would watch tutorials, and it was because I was moving too fast. And the hair was, and the glue wasn't tacky enough for the wig to stick. So if you guys pull your wig forward and it sticks instantly, that means that you guys are doing something right. So, alright, next step is probably one of the most important steps in laying your hair, is this hot comb right here. You guys, I'm telling you, if you guys ever wondered how people's wigs are so flat and are so laid, it's because of this right here. Oftentimes, wigs do come bulky at the top, but trust me, if you guys do this step, your wig is going to be laid. Like, I'm telling y'all, just even by looking at where we first started, like if you guys want to rewind the video to how the wig first looked, and then from me adding the hot comb, it's such a drastic difference. So there are a lot of flyaways on this hair, so I'm just taking the hairspray and just spraying the top, just so that the flyaways can lay super flat. So right now we're going to work on our baby hairs. I do have to cut some of the hair to kind of create my own baby hairs. And I pretty much just use my little baby hair brush, and then I take some hairspray, and that's what I use to hold the baby hairs in place. And they work for me. I honestly used to use this mousse gel or mousse product. And that's what I would use for most of my wigs, but my hairstylist actually uses hairspray for baby hair. So I was like, well, why don't I just do that? I mean, she's a professional, you know, she knows what she's doing. So I recently started using hairspray, and I actually like this a lot better than using the mousse that I was before. So for today's style, we are going to do some big wand curls. I was thinking about doing pin straight, but I wanted more volume, so I decided just to go with the curls. But surprisingly, for 130% density, this wig is actually very, very full and thick. And that's surprising because 130% is not thick hair whatsoever. I've received 150% density hair, and it was not even close to as thick as this hair. So that's really cool. So for the rest of this video, I'm just going to show you guys how I styled this hair, and then I'm going to stand up so I can show you guys where the hair falls on me. This is 22 inches, so for someone who is my height, that's what, I'm 5'3", I just want to show you guys where it would fall on me. But yeah, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys so much.